Thursday. Just finished week 4. This week, Tuesday, volunteer fair would be a great place to stop by and see what opportunities are available in the activity center. Mason City has some opportunities if you like creating presentations. They have some opportunity where you could volunteer your talent to help them do some work. Tech Club next week, Tuesday, 9:30 to 10. Questions on rapid spanning tree protocol? We kind of did a review in class. Labs, we did not give you an option to choose. We did the one in the chapter. And I think we're pretty close then to having that done and completed. Chapter 3 exam. Data lakes, this was a little more, it was AWS, focused, which I understood it would be, but instead of a more generic definition of data lakes, it talked more about specifics and doing things with data lakes, which was probably a little beyond what we want for class. All right. This is where we're going. We talked about access, we talked about port fast a little bit, bridge protocol data units, moving through, and we're going to expand our example here, and this is what we're going to be working on Tuesday. Talking about a virtual IP and MAC address, so you can put a PC on, and the PC will be pointed at this virtual, and so the traffic will be going to a router, let's say, and then if something causes that traffic to not be able to go to that router, right, this will disappear. Now the traffic will go to this router. So we have two options for default gateway. Going out maybe to the internet. Later on we learn about multi-homing if you have two IPSs that you're connecting to. But more on that later. So we're ready for chapter 4. Two things in there. It says hot standby, the ability to connect to one device or another, and the other one's EtherChannel. So we can take a connection, let's say here. So if those were all gig connections or 100 million bit connections, we can bundle those together and make one channel to produce more bandwidth and increase performance. That's it.